Is it time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 22, 2025, our system has categorized Netflix as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.50. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of -1.12% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average loss of -0.56% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 12.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 12.96% and 32.53%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 89.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 69.54% to 122.96% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $1,995.16 and $2,623.78. Our latest daily update for Netflix includes the headline, Netflix stock price down 1.12% on Wednesday. The Netflix stock price fell by 1.12% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025. The price dropped from $1,190.08 to $1,176.78. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.60%, reaching a low of $1,173.87 and a high of $1,192.62. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 8.65% over this period. Notably, the trading volume also declined on that day, which is considered a positive sign since volume should ideally follow the stock's movement. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 584,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $5.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $1,341.27, while the lowest price was $587.04. Currently, the price is 12.26% or $164.49. Below the 52-week high of $1,341.27, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Netflix is maintaining its dominance in the streaming industry, positioning itself as one of the top players alongside YouTube. Recent discussions emphasize its competitive edge, especially as other media companies such as Disney and Warner Brothers are falling behind. Disney Plus received disappointing ratings, ranking 11th among streaming services, which underscores the challenges it faces in a market where Netflix leads with a solid customer satisfaction score of 79. Furthermore, Netflix's effective capital allocation strategy has fueled global revenue growth, emphasizing its focus on organic growth and robust international content production. This disciplined approach has limited share dilution while enhancing shareholder value. The company reported impressive second-quarter results with record earnings per share and free cash flow, showcasing operational strength and efficiency. In the short term, this solid performance can drive positive sentiment among investors, potentially pushing Netflix's stock price higher. Conversely, the struggles of competitors like Disney could solidify Netflix's market position, making it a more attractive investment. Long-term, as Netflix continues to innovate and expand its global footprint, its stock is likely to maintain a favorable growth trajectory. Overall, The combination of competitive advantage, strong financial metrics, and strategic foresight presents a bullish outlook for Netflix in the streaming landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of July 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NFLX an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On Saturday, the 19th of July 2025, it was reported that UBS rated NFLX as market underperform with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of July 2025, it was reported that Jefferies gave NFLX a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of July 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned NFLX a hold rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 15th of July 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital rated NFLX as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Netflix stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Netflix. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Netflix stock is presenting sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of 1,227 and 1,250. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, June 30th, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 12.12%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 17 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 69 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. Netflix is currently finding support from accumulated volume at $1,134.06. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $18.75, which is a change of 1.60%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.01%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Netflix, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect high growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 16th of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.66. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Netflix. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Netflix is at $1,209.24. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, Netflix faces its first support level at $1,134.06. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Musi US Strive, who bought and sold 629 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 31.491. In total, insiders acquired 31,256 shares and disposed of 61,334 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1,113.82, indicating a decline of 5.35%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which translates to a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 16 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? Despite several negative signals indicating that Netflix may be a sell candidate, the potential for a turnaround suggests it could be considered a hold or accumulation opportunity while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of July, we anticipate Netflix will open higher by $4.31, starting at $1,181.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.